2016 Lexus LX 570 at Sparks Toyota in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It has a Sparks Value Warranty and much more. Power folding heated dimming memory signal mirrors. 4-wheel drive, a V8 engine, a clean one-owner CARFAX. Front and back heated and cooled leather seats, front row power adjustable with driver memory. A sunroof. Under 65,000 miles. Navigation. Cameras on all sides. 2 headrest video screens. A power liftgate. A power memory steering column with auto tilt-away and a heated wheel. Tri-zone auto climate with rear controls. 3rd row seats. Visit SparksToyota.com or call 888-272-5869.